For my movie, I did a lot of research on the conventions that I can go for my film genres. My story followed a conventional structure. Different musics were to be added to change the mood of the character and the audience. In my media text, I target a social group which are married or are in relation. And what affects the social groups are the infidelity, the male dominance culture in society, and how one reacts when they are cheated by their partners. In my film, I am not going against any convention. According to Stuart Hall's reception theory, producers encode the message and then the consumers decode that message. There are different ways that consumer can decode that message, whether it could be dominant, negotiated, or oppositional. In my project, the audience decodes the message in a dominant way. As we live in same culture and society, it will be easier for the audience to decode that message. Consumers have definite part in the field of entertainment. In pre-production, I research on consumers. Online surveys and questionnaires were distributed so we can gather what are they interested in and what they want to watch. The demographics audience profile that my product targets is D. The working class, C2 skilled working class, C1 lower middle class, B middle class, and A upper middle class. The psychometrics audience profile that my product targets are the explorers, the mainstreamers, and the strugglers. My product engages with the audience, mainly adults or couples, as it shows the lack of understanding, miscommunication, and decisiveness. Social platforms will be the main distributing areas for my project. It includes Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. As a real media text, my production will release a poster for the movie and then a trailer will be released. Then contacting with a distribution company will be done, and then finally the movie will be released across this country and on local cinemas. There is a drastic change and improvement in my production skills. From all the stages of production, I have learned a lot. In pre-production, I learned how to write script, making storyboards, and different composition of videography. To completely understand and acquire these skills, I practice them by making short clips so that it can help me assembling my final project. In production process, I had two actors with me. I got one camera and a tripod. All the scenes were shot in natural and luminar lighting. I developed skills that how I can use natural light that is available. As per the need, indoor and outdoor shots were taken. Different composition and rules were applied, like establishing shot, wide shot, medium close up, and close up shots. In the execution of post production, it helped me to learn a new software. It helped me in editing of my film. I learned color grading, audio addition, and transitions. Choosing an audio track according to the need of my film took a lot of time and efforts. I learned about the diegetic and non diegetic sounds as my film has mostly non diegetic sounds. The most beneficial aspect of our project is acquiring skills of direction, as good direction is the most crucial domain of filmmaking. During the project, I have accomplished the skills of directing and planning the scenes accordingly to my imagination, and hopefully, I have succeeded in portraying throughout my creativity. In the modern tech era, technologies have made much of man work easy. The hardware used in this project are the Canon EOS 60D, which is a camera, and the lenses I used with it are 1855mm and 50mm, which give great results. Another hardware that I used was Lenovo G50, which is the laptop. The software used in this project was Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2019, which is a great software for editing as it has all the features which are needed in the editing of film. Online resources which helped me in this project were the music tracks and the sound effects which I downloaded online and add them in my film. During the initial phase, the hardware was used during the production, while the software and some components of hardware were used in the post production.